Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the target project in the DaVinci Resolve software and edit it the way you want. When you're ready to export and render your video, go to the bottom and click on the Deliver tab. Then head over to the left side panel and there will be a bunch of different options here. Simply select the Custom Export option and then you can name it whatever you want. Then you can choose the location where you want to go and save it to. Now make sure single clip is selected and video is selected. You can then choose the format as MP4 and the codec as H.264. You can then leave the encoder as automatic. After that, it comes down to the resolution. 1920 by 1080 should be enough, but you can always increase it if you want more quality. Now, leave the rest of this as default and click on Add to Render Queue. Once done, you'll need to go over to the right and click on Render All. It will then start rendering in real time. Once it's finished, it will say completed. You can't get to the target location and play the video. So that's basically how you can export video in DaVinci Resolve. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.